Welcome to DJM TV.
My people, greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJM TV.
Yes, so my people, they don't drag Nigeria players come out to Super Eagles of Nigeria. They don't drag them come out based on one video wey leak online where the players then wetin they do after matches. If they don't play match finish, wetin they do before their next match? Most of them they play computer game, most of them they use phone play, most of them just dey their laptop, just they play music, just they cash cruise, as in just they enjoy themselves. So Nigerians don begin drag them like this. So as this video don come outside though, say instead for them to go dey train for their next game, they play computer game. People not be small thing though. More than watch the video, go come analyze this whole matter because the way people say they drag them like this, na all be small thing, my people. More than watch who they come.
Just look at this. These men them are locked in. One. Look at this one. This one even put on his bed too. Yo, man, them are locked. Ooh, because of games, you know. I'm gonna start playing games now as well. Look at it. Look at it. Look.
What happened?
I'm fucking gonna fucking lose the fight, bro. This one has ADHD. He hasn't taken his pills today. Look at him. I'm peace off. What are you doing? Man, them are locked in, bruv. I've just been hearing all of you scream down the flipping corridor. Nah, this is an addiction. COD. I swear it's an addiction. Look how it's getting. Look at them. They don't blink. They don't blink. They don't blink. Look at them. Look.
Hey, my people, not be smarting though. This one they drag our Super Eagles like this based on say wetin they do after they don't play match finish. Oh, because as they be so most of them, in short, almost all of them na computer game. Then they just they busy, so they just they play as in it be like say na wetin they like to do. They don't they drag them based on say they not go train. They supposed to go they train, they play computer game for inside their hotel room. So and this one come make people come they drag them like this up and down. Oh. They don't forget say all work and no play. They make Jack a dull boy, as so you both talk. Oh, my people. Realization matters, so don't be training. Realization like this, and they carry game like this, they relax, they watch, they now still part of training. Working and busy with training go make them not even perform well. People not know this one, or they just want make they just they tune, they just they busy, make they just they do things, just they missile feed, just they busy 24 hours. Not be smart thing, my people. We pray say they go forward, they go more than this one, or make they play their next match very well, because the team where they want meet so the team na Cameroon team wey be say that they play like white, not be small. Una know wetin happen to Ghanaian players and they call the Ivory Coast wey be host countries. How their fans say attack them after they lose match. Nigeria own na dey always dey tough pass. We pray say Nigeria not lose their next match. Oh my people, how una see this whole tori, how una reason am? Make una just comment o, and make una no forget to like and share and follow us on all our social media handle DJM TV. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
DJM TV.